Hi guys, it's Maggie here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. So today we're going to be doing an activity. And what you need is some tape, a marker, some glue, like a glue stick, and scissors. Let me set this over now because my hands are full. Set my tape on my computer. And I take two pieces of paper. I don't know if you'll need all the paper, so don't worry. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your tape, and I'll show you once I do it. But I need to get it off first. Okay, this one good, okay. And then you're gonna cut your tape about this long. I don't know how long this is. I'm using tape because I don't know where a ruler is. So, this is not long enough. So, take the lightest cut. Like, take your piece of paper. I don't know if I've already said that. The tape. You need it like right here. So this is where you're gonna cut it. So this is where you're going to cut it on the line. So you don't really need your marker, so just chuck that. Sorry, marker. And you're gonna cut on this line right here. So don't do it yet until I show you where to cut it. Oh, by the way, what you're making is like a fidget thing. I saw it on YouTube. I thought, wow, that looks fun. So I'm doing it, and I thought, why not film it? So that's why I'm filming it. And then, when you're done cutting it, you'll have about this long of a strip. Then, you're gonna take your glue tape off of this pink color. Set your strip aside. And set this pink paper aside, and you need the blue one. If you're wondering why, if this tape isn't gonna show up on the blue, it will, don't worry. I need to make sure this is the same size, so I need to put this on here. Make sure it's the same size. Okay. Here we go. So that's got cut off. Why did I say that's got cut off? That was very weird of me. And make sure they're the same size. And if they're not, you can always do some trimming. And then what you're gonna do with these are, you're gonna grab your glue stick. You're gonna glue one of the pink sides. So like down here. So you're gonna glue it like right there. Then you need the blue strip. And you're gonna take it and put it right here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna, why is there just random tape on my desk? And then you're gonna fold the blue over top of the pink like that. Pink over, blue. Pink, blue over pink. And then you're gonna do that same thing with the pink. And you're gonna keep going until the whole thing is done. Okay, just keep going. And then when it's about this size, stop where you are. Never mind, keep going. I had to think about what she did next. Okay. And then I finished my square. So see that pink side and see the blue side? They're kind of uneven. Well, you can just trim those right off. And then you're gonna take your glue stick again and you're gonna glue the blue part. Oh my gosh. Blue part is glued. Push it down and fold the pink one over. So then you're gonna hold that for like 10 seconds or 20, I don't know. I don't know why it was doing that. And then you're gonna let go and you have a fidget. This is so cool. I love this. I'm so glad I copied her. So it's like that. And if you want to make it longer, you can. You will just have to repeat those steps again. I love this. This is actually pretty cool. I didn't think it would be this cool now that I made it. I love this. And it can be like I don't know what else it can be. So, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little activity that is so fun. Make sure that you subscribed and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!